Hi Smarties, Miss Failing here with your reading lesson for today. Don't forget to read for 15 to 20 minutes today. Curl up with a good book and have fun with it. We are going to get started with our phonics lesson. So on Tuesday, we worked with the digraphs, the hunk and chunks, oi. Okay, O-I, oi, oi, oi. O-Y, boy, boy, boy. So O-I and O-Y. Those were our digraphs or hunk and chunks we worked with on Tuesday. Today, they were the same sound, but different spelling. Same thing today. We are working with the same sound, different spelling for ow. So we have O-W, ow, and we have O-U, ow. Okay, so both of these are in your phonics dance. Okay, some letters go at the end of a, no, wrong one. O-W, ow, O-W, ow, the cow goes down. I was thinking of O-W-O. The cow goes down. D-O-W-N, that's the way to get down. So O-W, ow, the cow goes down. Okay, I was thinking of the other O-W. Then we have O-U. Okay, O-U, ow, O-U, ow, O-U-T, O-U-T, out, out, out. O-U-T, O-U-T, out, 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 you bumblebee. O-U-T, O-U-T, bzzz, out. So, ow and ow. Two different spellings, but the same sound. So let's take a look at this. Here we go. Sound, ow. Sound, ol. Word, owl. Very good. Next one. So here we go. Sound, ow. That's our sound organ. Think about the blend in the beginning, your initial sounds, and your sound at the end, your final sound. Get ready for the word. Word, frown. Fur, out, and frown. Next, excellent. Here we go. Sound, ow. What's that initial sound? Ready? Word, how. Okay, so you have owl, frown, and how. Your turn. See if you can come up with a word that has the ow sound in it, but it's spelled O-W-ow. Okay, and you can see sometimes in the beginning of a word, sometimes in the middle of the word, and sometimes at the end of a word. Okay, so it comes in all parts of a word. Then we have O-U, ow. So here we go. Sound, ow. Think about that initial sound and those final sounds. Get ready. Word, found. I found a treasure. Okay, here we go. Next one. Sound, ow. Think about that initial sound and that final sound. Word, mouth. Mouth. Excellent. Here we go. Sound, ow. Think about that final sound. Hunk and chunk. Word, ouch. And then now think about a word that you come up with that has the spelling O-U, but again it says the ow sound. Okay, so maybe think about words that might rhyme with found or mouth. Same thing with over here, words that might rhyme with how or frown. Okay, so that is your phonics lesson. Don't forget to figure out some words on your own, but we are going to do our song. So I'm going to move you over here. We're going to review the song from Tuesday called Oh Boy, and it has the oi sounds in it, spelled two different ways, O-Y and O-I, and then we are going to do the new one for today. So, here we go.
Listen to this song. It is called Oh Boy. Follow along.
Boy's hunting for some gold. Boy joins her on the trail. Oh boy, they're on a hunt. Find the gold or veil. First Joy points to the east, then Roy points to the west. Oh boy, they must decide which choice is the best.
If you sing along, great. Now we get to chime in.
Listen again and chime in.
Joy's hunting for some gold. Roy joins her on the trail. Oh boy, they're on a hunt. Find the gold or fail. First Joy points to the east, then Joy points to the west. Oh boy, they must decide which choice is the best. Excellent job! So again, working with the oi sound and spelling. O-Y and O-I. Now let's switch over to house hunt. Okay, here we are working with the ow sound, spelled O-U and O-W. So we'll listen first and then we'll chime in with house hunt. And it's
Listen
to
to
I'm
this
a Little
song.
Teapot.
It is
That's the
called
tune.
House Hunt. Follow along.
I'm a big bad wolf, help, not a mouse. I've got a map now to Piggy's house. I'm a little pig, well, with a snout. The map is fake, wolf won't find out.
Okay, here we go.
Listen again and chime in.
I'm a big bad wolf, pow, not a mouse. I've got a map now to Piggy's house. I'm a little pig, wow, with a snout. The map is fake, wolf won't find out. Yay! All right, Smarties, nice job. With those songs, if you want to hear them again, you can go back into the video and play them again and sing along. All right, so yesterday we talked about the genre, the type of poetry called a haiku, okay? And if you remember, a haiku, we read it yesterday about the neighborhood. A haiku is a 5-7-5, okay, lined poetry. So keep straight down this block, okay? That has 5 syllables in it, okay? Not a 5-syllable word, but it has a total of 5 syllables. Then turn right where you will find that whole line has 7 syllables. A peach tree blooming. Okay? So this was a haiku about someone's neighborhood. That is exactly what you're going to do today for your activity. So yesterday I had you thinking about either doing a haiku on Earth Day, about Earth Day, or haiku about something in your neighborhood. You can pick. I have an example. I actually did like my neighborhood where I live, and I live way out in the country, so I don't really have a neighborhood. We have like 2 other neighbors, and that's pretty much it. So I kind of did it like what my neighborhood kind of looks like, what the property we live on looks like. So that's how I did it. I'm going to share that with you. But before I do that, I forgot our question of the day that I want you to think about. What problems could happen if you hike with no map? So let's say you were going on a hike and you had no idea. It was a brand new trail and you had no map. What could happen? What could happen? So I want you to think about that. That's kind of like the same when our song about how they gave a wolf a fake map. Well, if it's a fake map or no map, what could happen? Where could you end up? So that's your question of the day. But back to our haiku. So you are going to try to write a haiku today. It is 3 lines and only 3 lines. Okay? I'm going to show you mine. So here's my example. I'm going to pull you up a little closer as you can see. So a haiku, that's the type of poetry we are doing. It is 575. Now that doesn't mean 5 words. It could be, but it means a total of 5 syllables in the line, then a total of 7 syllables, then a total of 5. So what I did to do this is I thought of a sentence. Okay, at first it was horses and cows eating grass. Horses and cows eating grass. Well, that's 7. I was like, well, okay, I could use that for my 7 line, but I kind of want to do it for my 5. So then I had to shorten it, and I took out the cows, and I just had horses eating grass. Because I look out my front window, my neighborhood, and I see my neighbors and our horses eating grass. That's what our neighborhood looks like. We have horses out here. So, horses, 2, eating, 2 syllables, grass, 1. 2, 4 plus 1 is 5. This line right here, even though it has only 3 words, it is 5 syllables. So that's good. Check. Then I also look out into our neighborhood or our property, and I see the mountains, and they're beautiful. One of my favorite things I get to see from our where we live. So I have mountains are in the distance. Okay, so mountains, 2, are, 1, in, 1 syllable, the, 1 syllable, distance, 2 syllables. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This line, okay, has 7 syllables, even though it only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. It has a total of 7 syllables. So 5, 7, and then my 3rd line and last line has to have, again, 5 syllables. The dirt road goes on. We live on dirt roads, and they go on and on and on. So the, 1 syllable, dirt, 1 syllable, road, 1 syllable, goes, 1 syllable, on, 1 syllable. 5 words, a total of 5 syllables. So my haiku sounds like this. Horses eating grass, mountains are in the distance, the dirt road goes on. So that is my haiku, okay? 5, 7, 5, a total of 3 lines. It does not have to rhyme. But when I look outside into my kind of neighborhood, this is what I see, this is what I notice. So I kind of wrote it about that. Or I did write it about that. If you don't want to write about your neighborhood, like I said, you could write about Earth Day if you choose to write about that. And last thing, when you're all done with this, I didn't do it. I just wanted to show you your activity, which I want you to do, was to write a haiku poem to illustrate a picture. Okay, maybe I would illustrate a big dirt road through my writing, okay, and shade it in brown. And then over here I would have some horses eating grass with the mountains in the background. Okay, if I was to illustrate my picture, that's what I would do. So, that is your activity for today. Do not forget to practice your spelling words. You have a spelling test tomorrow, so don't forget to practice your spelling words and to read. But that is your phonics and reading lesson for today. Have fun, and I will be back with your math and STEM challenge in a little bit. Bye for now, Smarties.